guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel Priyu Bole. So guess where I'm going today? Yes, I am in Guwahati, my memory box, my heart's adda. And guess what? After almost 8 to 9 years, I'm back here with my forever partner in crime, Mr. Dabbu. He's pretending to enjoy this ride, but deep down he is like, bas traffic na pale ho yaru de. So we just took our scooty out to explore Guwahati streets, starting from Ganeshguri, then Zoo Road, A Tumur Husbandar Office, then Zoo Road flyover, now heading towards Sanmari, and oh my god, look at this city now. Infrastructure level, superb upgrade. New roads, new buildings, new cafes, and many flyovers to avoid banpani and traffic. I know. I am like Guwahati completely makeover hoy gole. Especially City Center Mall. That place is like the Eiffel Tower of Guwahati now. Uff Ram, videos, photos, sai पागल हो गसु. Every festival boom, selfie flood. मैं तो अभी क्रिसमस में जाने के लिए प्लान बना रही हूँ. सेंटा को बोले ताते लोग पाए instead of church. Oh God. I am thinking I should buy one camera to just make vlog, and I was discussing this here with my husband. I don't know, I'll just upgrade myself very soon, but for now my iPhone is the one which is helping me a lot. As per Dabbu, he says that vlog making is not that easy. You will get bored here, but I know I have lot of contents in my mind because you have to be a bit creative to do all of these. Okay, so now stepping towards the most amazing place. Okay, this is my hostel lane. This is Nayanpur. This is the restaurant where I used to eat my morning breakfast before heading to college, because obviously hostel or dali bhat kitaba hozom na hoisile. This lane right here was home for more than 5 years of my life. I used to stay here during my college days. Those hostel days were something else, man. Oh my god, seriously, nothing has changed. It's all the same. This lane is same. কিমান বছৰ 6-7 years মান থাকিলো ইয়াতে বেলেগ এটা লাইফ আছিলে ৰে ইয়াত থাকোতে ইয়াৰ কাহিনীয়ে বেলেগ এখন ব্ৰিজ ফেমাস. Let me tell you one funny story about this bridge. So someone said to one of our hostel mates that this is Choti Ganga. And that girl took it literally, and she was asking us, is it true, is it real? Oh my god. Funny stories yaar. এখন আমাৰ ইয়াতে আমি কি ঘুগুনি এখনত ঘুগুনি চিগুনি বা পিজিটো ইয়াতে আছিলে. And A to our hostel. A hostel to haunted asil. Still haunted niki. Kunubai jodi video sai asa, and if you are staying here, please do let us know. We used to tell ghost stories at night, cook Maggie together in a kettle, share horror screams, food halls and friendship goals all under one roof. There were nights of laughter, tears before exams, hostel gossip sessions. Never thought I would come back here as a married woman doing a vlog. Time flies, man, seriously. We used to keep induction cooker, induction cooktop as well. And mone ami goipne mas kini anu, chicken kini anu, and all those cooking sessions. I was the cook mostly. I know whoever is watching here, my friends, they will say that chicken bonwat I was expert, heti muke diye. It was really nice. It is so nice to be back here. After going down the memory lane, he told me that he will show me SK, the most famous dating spot, but we had to go through the flyover, so I couldn't visit SK. But look at this flyover. This is so pretty, and as per Dabbu, he said that this is the longest one, so it's so good to feel the air gushing towards my face while I roam around this city. It's so nice to be back here. So while visiting my hostel, we also stumbled upon my husband's hostel. So this was his hostel back then when he was in the college days, but now it has been turned up into some kind of boutique. It's closed now. So as you can see, Guwahati Commerce College, this was his college, and we also revisited this place. It was so great to be back here. It's like really amazing, and the night time and the winter means it's just the start of winter. Earlier in November it used to get so chilly. I don't know what has happened now. Maybe this is global warming. Oh god. Maybe this is global warming, but right now the weather is really pleasant, not cool, means not chilly, but it's really pleasant here. But I'm missing winter, and I hope that winter comes here soon. Okay, confession time. I had this crazy dream where I was literally craving Assam's fuska. So I told myself, Priyu, let's fulfill that dream, and here I am. One plate down, and my soul is doing bihu in heaven. It was so delicious, spicy, bhut jolokiar chutney dish, and full of nostalgia hits. Once in a while chalta hai yaar. Diet later, fuska now. So funny incident, guys. Mr. Dabbu here decided to surprise me. Actually forceful surprise. After marriage मैं समझ गई हूँ, don't expect romantic gestures, just demand them. But he did stop and bought me these flowers. Thank you, husband. Life has come a full circle and it feels so magical. Alright, guys, see you in my next vlog. It's going to be super exciting. Lots of new things coming up. Till then, Tamul Khua Aru Priyu Bolek, like, share, subscribe, Korijwa. Love you all. Bye. By the way, this was my fake acting. Bye, guys.